Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can follow someone for free in OnlyFans. So there is actually one way how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is just add cards to your OnlyFans account, and when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have the suggestions here. So just right here, show only for like those for free. And now, like I don't know, I have the Alex, Mara here, whatever, Tiffany, right? So I would like follow for free, and while I'm followed now, I can see all the photos she added, or like I don't know, Tiffany here. And again, I can like see all the photos she added. And this is how you do it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.